today we're going to talk about area of rectangles and parallelograms. Area is the surface measurement of a two-dimensional figure. We can think of it as the square units that the shape covers. Use the formula A equals base times height, where B is base and H stands for height. Area is always measured in square units. Some examples are inches squared, feet squared, or meters squared. Looking at rectangle 1, remember the formula is area equals base times height. When I look at the shape, I could count how many squares it covers, or I could use the measurements, which the base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So area equals 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So area equals 35 units squared. Go ahead and see if you can figure out the area for rectangle 2 and 3. You will need to pause the video. Hopefully you got those correct, checking your answer. The dimensions of the rectangle below are labeled, so our formula is the same. Area equals base times height. We're plugging in the values. 8.6 times 3, which you could use a calculator, or if you just figure it out, it's 25.8 centimeters squared, because they give us the measurement in centimeters. The next one, formula is the same, always for a rectangle, base times height. If we plug in the values, 2 1/4 times 1 1/2, the answer would be 3 3/8 feet squared. And if you remember, you would find you need to turn these into improper fractions. So it'd be 4 times 2 plus 1 is 9/4 times 2 times 1 plus 1, 3/2. That would give you 27/8. 8 goes in here 3 times with 3 left over. So your answer would be 3 3/8. We can solve for any missing piece of information in the formula by solving a one-step equation. So depending on what they give you, you can answer the question. You can find the area, you could find the base, or you could find the height. So if I wanted to find the base, if they gave me the area and the height, it would be base equals area divided by height. If they gave you the height, it would be area divided by base. So that would give you the other measurement that you needed.